But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you
my
know
nose is
plenty.
done. Can you
know what I'm talking about? Cause you just get
my
me.
hair?
Yeah, you
What's
so
more story? Welcome back to my channel. This is another week in my life vlog, and if you're seeing this channel for the first time, you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos. It's so good to have you as a family members, and I love you so much. So meet my most handsome, the celebrity stylist. See this one before I brought him out of the house. We've been planning this meetup since 6 months. But I finally brought him out today.
See, guys, I'm stressed out.
I warned him. I told him, just come. I just want to see you. I miss you.
It's just me. And
he was going to work. So as he came with this bag, I said, guy, you must do my nails. You're not going anywhere. You have to do my nails today, and we are in it.
Okay, let's see what it's going to look like.
So let's see the results.
pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You're anything.
This is a tripod.
Yes. So guys, my nails is done. Can you behold this beauty?
Okay.
Can you see this? This is why I love this guy. Like, you just know his work so well. Very simple but elegant, classy, top notch.
Sophisticated, rich.
Just see.
Rich
He's
baby.
packing his bags, ready to
Rich
go.
baby. I'm giving you a rich girl vibe, you know.
XX of Lagos. That's
Only one
his
X of
name.
Lagos.
One XX of Lagos. Check him out on IG if you would like your nails to be like this. Yes, I love my service, and this is my guy. Say hi to the camera. Why are you like that? Good morning, guys. Yeah, this is my nails. Also of yesterday. Let me show you guys. This is how the nails is looking like, and I love it. There's this thing about this particular nail tech. Whenever he does my nails look so tiny, like it fits exactly to my nail size. But there are a lot of places I go to, it's either they are clearly so bulky, so big, whatever it is, I don't always like it. So this guy, he does my nails all the time, and it comes out so beautiful. So today I'm getting ready to go do my lashes. Can you see my lash? Like, I don't even have natural lashes, but I believe my lash tech can work with it. So we are going to the studio or salon, whatever, to fix my lashes.
Baby, did you know that
I'm already late.
we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back? Knew I'd always crawl back.
Yeah.
Cause
See you guys
baby,
at
it's
the
the
salon.
everything for me. For me. For me. Baby, it's the everything for me. For me. For me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me. For me. For me.
Hi guys.
Baby, it's the everything. Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit, and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But
I just got my hair done yesterday and I literally forgot that I was vlogging. I was supposed to show you guys or carry you guys through the process of my hair. What happened yesterday? I totally forgot that I had a hair appointment for yesterday. How did I remember? Thank God I put an alarm for 10 o'clock, the time for my appointment. So when the alarm rang or my reminder came up by 9, I was like, oh my God. I was not feeling, I'm not like, not worse. I am not feeling fine. It's just that I'm getting better. I'm having flu and it's severe. If you can take notes, I don't know, you can hear from my voice. I'm having very bad flu. I'm currently on medication. So I just want to show you guys how the hair looks like since we couldn't get a vlog out of it. The last time you guys saw me was when I went for my lash appointment, yes. And I intended carry you guys through my hair appointment too, but flu happened. I forgot that I was vlogging, and here we are. My hair is already done. So this is how the hair looks like. Yeah, this is the length. This is the full length of the hair. I'm sitting down. I think I can get full view. It's called mermaid braid. That's the name of this hair. To a layman understanding, is just pick and drop. I asked them to just speak to the length of my hair because my hair is a natural hair. So this is where my hair stopped, probably somewhere here, and they call this part. I will just show you, like, they did not call it with anything. They just braided the left over in bulk and they achieved this curve. If you could just search for mermaid braid, you see it. So this is how the hair is looking. I like my hair. I'm just feeling so down. I just say, let me show you guys. I started this. I need to end it. Excuse me. This is what I'm talking about. I'm currently on my medication. I hope, I pray I get well in just few days because I have a trip. It's going to be like difficult to maintain because it's a normal braid extension, and because of that it's going to always get tangled a lot. I have to always put more effort in maintaining it, which will make it not, which will make me carry not for so long because by the time it start tangling, I don't have strength to fight it. So I will just carry for a while and take it off. But I think by then I might have enjoyed it enough. So that is that. See how my face is out. One thing about girl, like when you just make your hair, do your lashes, do your nails, like you're just feeling so fly and good, and it makes your face really comes out. And I always like that feelings though. So guys, this is my hair. Not too much stories. This is my, this is me and my new hair. I love it. Even if I'm not in a very good mood to look or sound very excited, I love it. It is what I planned for. What is a girl's life without maintenance?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Only gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Tyler Perry. But she don't love me, she too scary.
Port Harcourt from Lagos. I'm already at the airport at the moment. I came here quite early, like 30 minutes, 40 minutes to my flight time, because I don't want to be late. I've missed my flight before, and if you've been in that situation, you will not dare to try it again. I also know what it means to come to the airport late and you start running around and all of that. It's so chaotic. Don't try it, my dear. I booked my flight quite earlier. I'm not feeling so well, though I'm getting better. I feel more better than the way I felt yesterday. I'm still on my medication, but I can't miss or postpone this trip. I just need to travel and do what I need to do once and for all. And this is my first time using this airline, Valuejet. Yeah, Valuejet. I hope they are nice or they treat their customers nice because I don't want to have stories or bad experience on the air or anything. So guys, wish me luck. I don't want to hear story on the air.
My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, just some me time. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, get some me time.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. 4 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot? What you waiting on, little daddy? I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressed my line. Wondering why? No, you ain't shy. I'ma say bye. But I know I won't think twice. Better let go of your pride. No, now, just do it now. Oh yeah. When that nigga pull up on me, tell that nigga back. Don't you know all of these niggas wish that they could back? I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind down. You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now.
Hi, my lovely friends. So I arrived my destination yesterday, and immediately I got to the house, I was so tired. I just went straight to sleep. Like, I actually ate after my food, I showered and I went to bed. I couldn't come to update you guys, but here I am. There's plenty of updates. So the last time we spoke was when I was waiting for my flight, right? After I checked in, I was waiting for my flight. That was the last time we spoke like this. So after I spoke to you guys, I was waiting to board my flight. Guys, guess who I met? Like, guess who I saw? You won't believe it. Wait, tell me, how do you guys react when you meet your ex, like someone you've been in a relationship with in the past, and you guys randomly walk into each other? What do you do? How do you act? Do you greet them? I shared it with my TikTok family, and the comment section was hot. Some girls are very strong-hearted. Girls were telling me, like, they don't even see them. Some say they don't have ex. Some said they will walk this way, that way, they will go that way. If they see them, they don't exist. I'm like, it's not that deep. When the people do not, like, quarrel. It's not all relationship that ends in quarrel or in fights or cheating or all of those infidelity kind of issues. Some people just want their peace of mind and walk off relationship, and it doesn't mean that you guys are enemy, is it? But one thing I can't do is that I can't be friends with my ex. That's it. Except we're not dating. As long as we're dating, I can't be friends with you after we are off. Like, I've tried, yeah, it hasn't worked. The thing is that, let me not talk about that. So what happened was that I heard they made announcements and it was close to my boarding time, so I thought it was my flight time. So I was kind of confused, but instead of me to just sit down there and miss my flight, I now decided to, like, walk up to the counter and ask questions like, is it Xoxo Airline that is boarding now? So I stood up from my seat only to walk up to my ex. If I actually saw him from a distance, because I wasn't in a mood to, like, have a conversation with him. If I saw him from a distance, I would have turned back and go and sit down until he passed. I didn't. We just walked into each other, but we actually exchanged pleasantry. But it felt weird. I was feeling anxious, guys. I don't know why. I don't know why your girls was feeling anxious, but the truth is, I was feeling so anxious. And we exchanged. Long story short, I don't want to bore you guys with that story. We just exchanged pleasantries, and we passed. It passed, and I passed. But thinking of it, is that this is my first experience like working or bumming up with my ex after some months, some years, and all of that. It's always social media that we used to see later, and we never talk, or maybe we'll be just in each other stories, viewing each other, but we'll never get to talk again. So after which I bought my flight and I landed at Port Harcourt. My flight was from Lagos to Port Harcourt, but I was coming to Akwa Ibom, and I'm currently in Akwa Ibom. Ask me why. So what happened was that I had a flight from Lagos to Abuja around October, and I later didn't make it to Abuja, but I still had my ticket open. So what happened? Valuejet does not come to Akwa Ibom states. So their closest route to Akwa Ibom is Port Harcourt. So I thought of making use of that money, because since October, this is about 4 months. After 6 months, you'll not be able to have access to it. They will just close it. You can't use it. So your money is gone. So instead of my money wasting, and I said, let me make use of the money. I went to Akwa Ibom. I went to Port Harcourt. From Port Harcourt to Yo, it's supposed to be just like 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours. So it was a road trip from Port Harcourt to Akwa Ibom, but unfortunately my car got spoiled on the road, but we were later transferred to another car. It was a long journey. Like, we were later transferred to another car, and I still got to Akwa Ibom on time. The road was safe. It was successful. Immediately I landed in Uyo, I had to go to Tropicana, the mall. It's more like spa that we have in, like, the biggest mall in most countries is Spa, ShopRite, but in Uyo here, it's Tropicana. It's very big and it's beautiful. I think I should carry you guys. I should go for a movie, to go see a movie, and I'll show you guys around. But I don't know yet. I'm still deciding. So I went there to pick up some of my toiletries. I literally remembered at the airport that I forgot my soap, I forgot my toothpaste. From where the car dropped me, I decided to go to Tropicana to pick these things up, and also pick some things for my siblings and family. I got to the house. Getting to the house, it was all excitement, meeting my families, my siblings, and I ate. They fed me afang soup and iba for dinner last night. I showered and I went to bed. I was feeling a little bit exhausted, but the most exciting thing was that the moment I got to Akwa Ibom, you know, I told you guys I was having flu. Even at the airport, I was still feeling terrible, but only to land at the airport, my airline just got cleared. I don't know if I was breathing bad air all along, because the air here is really so clean and fresh. So I literally felt the difference immediately I got here, and I kind of feel all right. I kind of feel okay. I don't know what it is, but that's how I feel. So guys, I'm here in Akwa Ibom. I'm feeling fine. It's morning. I'm getting ready to go out. So as you can see, I just finished having my bath. So I'm applying my money in skincare routine, getting ready to go out. Yo. So I think we'll bring this vlog to the end here. Thank you so much for watching to this point. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. And we'll see ourselves in the next video. Bye.